This is a unit. Getting the plug slapped in right now. Should fire up. Looked inside though, and it's just full of gunk and crap and whatnot, so it definitely needs a valve job and an overhaul kit done on it, but we're just gonna run it just for the heck of it. But it'll be good. It should be where'd I put my keys? Good enough to do what we need, and then at some point we will do a valve job and all that stuff. But I'm grabbing the key right now, glorious little forklift key, and we'll get it started. Look, we just got that shipping container angled up. This is a unit. Beautiful. Some might say even perfect. But you saw, we just lifted up Danny's car because we didn't have a key and we we're trying to fork it off the trailer. These forks are way too short, but we were trying anyways. But in the process of that, the previous owner had a magnet key up on the frame. So now we don't even need to fork it off. We can just back it off now. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's crazy. This is the first episode of our rebuild series. So we're gonna take the forklift from looking like this to looking like a majestic, beautiful, brand new forklift. We're gonna go through it, rebuild all this stuff. And so in this video, what we did is put on new spark plugs. Can't see it from this side, but we got new spark plugs in, new transmission oil or fluid, new oil, and I'm trying to think of what else we went through. There's a few other things. We had some leaks in the hydraulic lines up here that Ray's working on right now. Got new lines on those slapped in, and yeah, so there's going to be a bunch of videos that we're going to make on this. We're going to probably paint it like a dark gray or black and get new tires slapped on because you can see these ones are just a little munched up. And we're going to get some extension forks so we can lift cars like that red Camry that we're trying to lift today, and go from there. So this is going to be a good little series. That's what we accomplished on this vid, and we'll see you guys in the next one.